yourselves earrings?
Let's do it. Except I don't have pierced ears.
You don't have pierced ears?
Yeah, I don't.
Are you okay?
Yeah, hold on. I'm Russian, I don't have pierced ears.
Why are you doing that?
I'm trying to bend it. Put down your shirt, stop being a hoe.
Oh, I know. Oh my god, what am I doing? Milana! Oh.
Wait, what time were you born at?
9:37.
I'm older than you.
Oh, I'm 17 already. Hey.
I'm older than her.
What time were you born?
Like, I think 3 a.m.
Really?
Yeah.
Ew.
I need to take off my lipstick.
You taking it off?
Yeah, I'll be back.
Why? Do you want to? I'm trying to literally like take a seat. Thank you. Why are you taking it off?
I don't like it. Go ahead to Christy.
I'm gonna just leave it like that. Oh yeah.
Make earrings out of it, and then we can make a video about you making earrings out of it.
DIY earrings when you're bored in class.
Yeah.
Would this be unsanitary? Like, did you get like an ear infection?
I don't think so. I mean, it's inside the stapler. Nobody touches the stapler.
But I'm touching it.
But your hands are clean, right?
No.
I mean, you touch your ears all the time, so it's okay.
But not inside.
You touch your earrings. Like, you touch your earrings before you put them in.
Should I pierce my nose with this?
Do it. Literally just pierce your nose right now.
I really want to. Like, I'll just go like.
It'll be like, when there's like, also like Indian girls, like, this thing for weddings that they do.
Do you think I'd look cute with a nose piercing?
Yeah.
This side or this side?
Wait, you should put that in your story.
How do you do messy buns so nice?
I would so do
I
that.
don't know, man. It just happens. Cause like, oh my god, this one lady, she gave me a compliment on my hair. But like, I literally put it on like the night before, and like I went to sleep. But then I woke up and then like, hurry up so we can clickbait people. Put it in these in your ears.
I don't know.
This video is right.
Wait,
I'm gonna give myself a nose piercing.
Okay. Me too.
You can bust it.
You busted.
This is gonna be our thumbnail.
Can we even pick? Like, is it even gonna show up?
It might.
This is a really long video again. We didn't even do a freaking Q&A.
We'll just cut out the first part and just do like DIY nose piercing.
I'm afraid this is gonna like poke my nose. How am I gonna put this in?
Put yours and do it, and we can make a thumbnail future.
How did you put it in?
You just make a curve, then you put it in.
It's not poking you or anything?
No, not at all.
Dude, that actually looks real.
It looks like a dove. It looks like a bull. I think it just fell out, and I just breathed it out. It's okay. I don't want to put it back in. Okay, we're done.